I'll be showing you how you can see the model name or the model number of your Samsung Galaxy A series. This is for the entire A series lineup for 2023. That is Galaxy A14, A24, A34, and A54. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on About Phone. And then on the About Phone page, look for model name and you should see the model name or model number there. So model name is right here. So mine, as you can see, is SM-A54-6E/DS. So that is my model name or model number. And that is basically how to check on your own Galaxy A series. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.